Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 70 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the option Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's tap. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case 21 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings, then camera and other. Here we can tap inside the graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard where we can check the screen time in particular days of the week. We can compare them. Moreover, we can come back to the previous weeks and check that also. Under it we've got the list of apps which we've been using with specific time we've spent on them. Moreover, we can tap on the specific app and again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.